We're in DMK Airport International.
And we're going to
Bali. Mie goreng, nasi goreng, watermelon juice, coffee, a petit blondie baby. She got a nice big pimple right in the middle of her forehead right there.
T'as pas besoin de zoom,
It's a ceremony. It's a pimple ceremony for Lauren.
Ceremony pimple though.
Yeah. So this breakfast was actually free from our B&B. It's what time is it? 9:26. Yeah.
We'll go.
So we're gonna munch in and we'll talk to you guys afterwards.
Okay, so we got in Bali. So we're in UBUD right now. And yeah, it's a bit disgusting, you know, because we got here yesterday night. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you what the Airbnb looks like. And here's Nathan. He got the scooter.
Okay, give me a second to get used to it, okay?
Yeah, I want you to get used to it because I don't want to die. Like the first day.
Yes. I thought, hey, cool. Makes me look like I don't know what I'm doing.
I think he doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah. Gotta look it up.
So he's Googling how to turn on. That's reassuring.
Oh, wow.
Ow! Our heads keep bumping into each other. Ah!
Wow. Okay, so where are we?
We're at Gao Gajak.
Wait,
Gao Gajak.
Gao Gajak. Why are you saying it in a Korean accent? Gao Gajak.
I don't know. I don't know how to say it. So
Right, yeah,
I
me
say it
too.
the only way.
Gao Gajak. It's apparently a cave. That's a huge tree, though. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's beautiful. So today's our first, well, technically second day
Yeah,
in
the
Bali.
first real one.
Yeah, our first full one. So
Yesterday, all we had time to do was just to eat.
eat street food.
That's
Just
it.
eat until I
Super
passed out.
spicy.
Look at Lauren's pants, though.
Me, I'm tactical.
She's trying to fit in with the nature in Bali.
Well, at least I don't have to buy the thing. I don't know how to stop.
Sarong.
I should probably not go in.
Don't enter during women
If you
menstruation.
have your period. you can
Really, do not enter during menstruation. Okay.
Don't worry, I'm not. Not that anybody needs to know that I'm bleeding, but
C'est joli même pas la fin.
no, don't ever do that.
Hey, Tarzan shit, huh? Putain, Bali c'est amazing, huh?
Yeah, for real. Beautiful.
Mani mani po yo.
putain. Now
Mettez quelque chose dedans.
we're going to... Okay, where we're going? Hopefully.
Sacred Monkey Forest.
Okay, wish us luck. I'm afraid of monkeys because apparently they steal a lot of stuff.
Ouais, juste ferme la poche, mets tes cookies dans le sac, c'est bon?
Exactement. Il va attaquer quelqu'un là, je sens.
Ouais.
Quand on se casse. What happened? Nathan got attacked by the monkey.
Oh putain!
Ok, please don't pee on me. Oh putain, Nathan!
Quoi?
Et regarde dans ton sac!
Oh bled!
This little mofo tried to steal
Ah,
from
c'est
his
un
bag. Qu'est-ce qui se passe, Kurva? C'est partout là.
Just take it easy.
Ok, don't panic.
Here.
Don't panic or they jump on you and pee and poop on you.
Caca ici, attention. Faites attention partout ici parce qu'il y a plein de monkeys qui chient partout.
Vraiment. Hein?
This one's on pied Dumbo, hein?
Ouais.
He can't catch shit.
Il a de la
He
flemme.
can't catch anything.
So we forgot to film after the monkeys, but we just had lunch.
Putain. Comment tu nages, Kurva? T'es nul à chier, toi. Viens, viens, viens.
So we are in,
Bebek Binging.
which means dirty chicken, right?
Dirty duck.
Dirty duck. Dirty duck.
Eh, mais pourquoi ils ont utilisé ce plastique
So this is our starter. Non, c'est papier, Dumbo. C'est paper straw.
papier, quoi.
Yeah, Bali doesn't use a lot of plastic anymore. So we got paper straws. And so we got pineapple juice. I got a beer. And this is duck rolls.
Spring duck rolls. Hello, Lauren. How are you?
Ça va pas.
What time is it?
Really.
Shine the light here.
Shine bright like a diamond.
It is 4:17 in the 4:17 in the morning. Woke up at what? 2 a.m. 1:50. 1:50, and the guy didn't even arrive till like 2:25. Alright. Well, we've been hiking for about an hour and a half now. Honestly, we're hiking a bit slow. And we took a lot of breaks. And I don't think we're gonna arrive in time for the sunrise. But we can see a little bit right now. It's coming up, but I don't know if we're gonna get the best view. Hopefully, we will. Alright.
Almost there. 2 hours. 2 hours more.
Owen! Ça va?
Do you think I want to be filming?
Hello. Alright, time for the view. You see the rays?
On the sideline, dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I try to make her
Wow,
mine,
this is absolutely beautiful.
but at the same time,
As you can see, there's steam coming out of the rocks, which is active actually. It's a volcanic mountain.
Oh, now you're vlogging.
Actually, I've never been on an active volcano. It's one of a kind.
There's like steam coming out.
Yeah. It's warm. It feels nice. It smells good too. Very earthy.
we stand on the sideline, alone we walk alone.
Oh my goodness. This is
I know I tried
This is the view.
lots and lots of time, but maybe it's fine that you are so hard to find.
Adventure seekers. Wow! Hey, I didn't even see this. Hello!
Today has been like 48 hours mashed together.
Exactly, right. It's just been so long.
Yeah.
So where are we?
Tigalala.
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 Okay, we're going to show you guys a little view of where we're at. We're at a cafe called Kannam, by the way. And it's absolutely beautiful here. Lots of coconut trees, lots of rice paddies. So yeah, if you guys ever want to come here, you gotta support your brother, your cousin, your Korean boy, Kannam. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, alright. Where are we?
Still in the rice field, and there's a little kid who fell inside.
I don't know where we went.
Okay, he's crying.
Right there. You fall here, you die.
I feel like my knees are gonna
It would be nice if you had like a drone or something.